you can use AI to generate your very own thumbnails in just a few seconds? If yes, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, we'll be learning how we can use AI to generate our very own thumbnails in just a matter of seconds. So without further ado, I'm Kritan Shappi from Web Creators, and let's get started. To create your very own thumbnail, first of all, you're going to search for vidIQ thumbnail generator. I'll give the link in the description below. Then click on Generate Clickable Thumbnails with AI. Click on Get Thumbnails for free. Sign in with your Google account. And boom, it brings you to the dashboard. I have already created some thumbnails for your reference and ease. Right now I'm going to write a prompt. Create thumbnail which is modern and elegant while having the technology touch with it. It should be focused on AI creation, and the topic is AI tools you must know. Then click on Create. As you can see, our new thumbnail is getting loaded. Just for your knowledge, this may take a bit of time because our prompt is big and detailed a bit, so it needs some time to take the ideas. As you can see, it has created it, and it's quite the way we told it to be, and it's very, very amazing. So if you need anything like this, you're here. You can get thumbnails for free and without any credits, or without any 1 month free or whatever. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.